How to turn off Meta AI on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to teach you how you can easily disable Meta AI feature on Facebook. For that, you need to launch your Facebook app, and then you just have to make sure that you are logged in into that particular account from which you want to turn off the Meta AI feature. After that, you need to scroll down and tap on help and support. Here in the help and support, select the report a problem option. Then you just have to tap on report problem again. Now once you do this, you will be landed on this type of page where you just have to click on the include button, and from this list you just have to select any of these. Let's say I have selected messages. If you see the Meta AI option, then you just have to select that Meta AI option. Regardless of the Meta AI option, you just have to tap on any of the option, and here in the describe the issue section you just have to type that you want to remove Meta AI from your Facebook account, and then tap on this arrow icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. So what this will do is it will send a report to Facebook, and you just have to wait for 24 to 48 hours until you receive any response from them, or until the Meta AI is turned off from your Facebook account. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.